Okay. Okay, this is run number 3 of 15 millimeters per minute of 1.6 millimeter copper wire at 30,000 RPM on medium polished aluminum nitride, 99%, at a surface feed rate of 15 millimeters per minute and 30,000 RPM on the spindle with an XZ feed rate ratio of 80 and a total distance of 10 millimeters on the surface and 0.125 millimeters of plunge distance in the Z. So without further ado, I'm going to turn on the spindle at 30,000 RPM and start the deposition. Contact. Deposition starting. Okay, whatever. Alright, video's off.